Sir, do you believe in God?
Okay. In fact, this question is so beautiful. There are so many people who ask and they doubt about the existence of God. Dear students, I want to tell you the God is present everywhere in every human being. You are speaking. Who is speaking? This body is not speaking. The soul, which is the micro mini part of the or the energy of God, अति सूक्ष्म ऊर्जा, that is the micro mini energy of the God which is inside your body or mind. On account of the bioenergy which God has given you, you are speaking, you are activating, your body is activating, you are dancing. All the physical and mental activities which you are doing, that is only possible only on account of the power of God. Power means soul, Atma, which is inside your body. And I want to tell you, in this universe, nowadays, the people are puzzled, घबराए हुए, they are confused, they are under depression, anxiety, they are going to the doctor. Even then, तब भी, they are not mentally happy. Although, हालांकि, they are having money, they are having bangla, cars and everything, but they are not mentally happy. I want to tell you, चाहे कोई भी कितना भी आर्थिक स्थिति से मजबूत हो, लेकिन मानसिक स्थिति से वो मजबूत अगर नहीं है तो वो खुश रह ही नहीं सकता. तो वो कहां से मिलती है? वेयर इज द सोर्स ऑफ दैट हैप्पीनेस? दैट सोर्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस is only at the feet of God. I want to tell you, 100% the problem of the solution of this world, इस संसार की समस्या का 100% समाधान is in the bhajan, sumiran, prayer of God. This is my experience. I want to share with you. There are so many people, those who go and those who make the gurus and they take the guru mantra. Why? They are having plenty of money with them. They are having a lot of money with them. So they should be happy. They are having all the luxurious items in their homes. But yet, लेकिन फिर भी they are unhappy, they are displeased, they are dejected, they don't have mental peace. Why? When you are having money yet you are not happy, its mean is clear. इसका मतलब क्लियर स्पष्ट हो जाता है that soul, आत्मा needs God. You need car, scooter, bangla, everything, but the soul, आत्मा of human being wants only the worship, shelter, son of the God. When you listen the satsang or anything, you feel happy. Your mind is cool. और when you spare निकालते हैं some time from your busy life and you fold your hand and you offer prayer to God, just after 5 minutes of prayer gives you 100 hours mental peace. So it's mean there is a miracle chamatkar in the worship, पूजा में, in the bhajan, chants में, or in the prayer of God. If we want to live happy, if we want to progress, अगर हम प्रोग्रेस करना चाहते हैं, so we can progress with peace, with calm, with the blessing of God only when we are attached to the God. And if you are disattached or detached with God, you may have money, but you cannot be mentally happy. Is there any question that you want to ask me?
Sir, have you seen God?
Question asked by Sneha here. So I want to give my answer to the question asked by her. Dear students, as I already spoke, that the God is present everywhere. So I want to tell you, God is present everywhere, but our eyes are not capable to watch God. सक्षम नहीं है, because we do not have that type of spiritual eyes. हमारी वो आध्यात्मिक आंखें नहीं. We are not offered such a deep prayer. हमने उतनी गहराई से पूजा पाठ नहीं किया है. So how can we watch? तो हम कैसे दे सकते हैं? With our own eyes. I want to tell you, God is present in the way. कैसे? God is present just like in electric wire. You see, you do not see, you are unable to see electricity is there or not. Your eyes cannot watch the running electricity. But when you touch the wire, live wire, then you get the jerks, electric jerks, झटके. So you cannot see. You cannot see the running electricity, but there is electricity. In the same way, उसी तरह से we cannot see, and we can see also. हम भगवान को देख भी सकते हैं. We can experience the God, but we have to go. हमें जाना पड़ेगा to that process. उस प्रोसेस से जाना पड़ेगा, उस प्रक्रिया से गुजरना पड़ेगा. Just like you watch the milk, but you cannot get the clarified butter. लेकिन आप घी नहीं पा सकते. You cannot see the ghee. I mean clarified butter. You have to go. You have to churn. आपको मथना पड़ेगा. पहले जमाना पड़ेगा. उसकी क्रीम निकालनी पड़ेगी. क्रीम निकालने के बाद उसको प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा. प्रोसेस बहुत प्रोसेस करने के बाद फिर मट्ठा अलग निकलेगा, नींबू अलग निकलेगी, और इसके बाद फिर उसको फ्राई करने के बाद घी अलग निकालना पड़ेगा. तो ये सब प्रोसेस तब घी निकलता है. वैसे खुदा है. आप सोचो कि हमें मेहनत ना करना पड़े. विदाउट वर्शिप ऑफ गॉड you want to see God. How can you watch God? Yeah? That is the reason you are not in a position to watch God, because your eyes are not so pure that they can watch God. Is it right?
Yes.
So I want to tell everybody, in short, soul needs God. आत्मा को खुदा की जरूरत या ईश्वर की जरूरत होती है. All the religions are doing the same thing. All the religions are worshipping only one power, that is खुदा, भगवान, God. जो भी मानते हैं, that is one power. Names are different, but only one power is working. This is absolutely right. Or I want to tell you at last, इफ यू वांट टू लिव मेंटली हैप्पी, अगर आप मानसिक तौर से खुश रहना चाहते हैं तो खुशी का खजाना केवल भगवान के भजन सुमिरन पूजा पाठ में ही है। तो ऐसे के साथ में अगर इफ यू आर नॉट अटैच्ड विद गॉड तो यू विल ऑलवेज पास योर डेड लाइफ, you will not mentally be happy. But if you are holding the index finger of God, अगर भगवान की आप तर्जनी पकड़े हुए हैं उंगली को, फिंगर को, और आप चल रहे हैं तो you will successfully pass or cross the boat of this world. Is there any other question that you want to ask?
Yes, sir. I have